A man sold an article at a loss of 24%. Had he sold the article for 262.5 more, he would have made a profit of 18%. Last 25% covered and again you got 18%. Loss in the sense negative number, minus 24 plus 18. Difference 40. So you got difference 42% because of 262.5. Yes or no? Right. But you are asked to calculate cost price, which is 100%. Now let me divide left hand side number and right hand side number with 21, then 2%, 21 twos, 21 ones, still you have 52, 2 times 0.5. Clear? If 2% is 12.5, 1% is half of 12.5, which is 6.25. If 1% is 6.25, 100% is 625. A dealer offers 20% discount on the market price of an article and thereby makes a profit of 12%. If the market price of the item was 9,800, how much discount should he offer on the market price so as to make a profit of 1,330? Right. So if you want to have a profit of 1,330, first of all you should know cost price. Yes or no? Right. See, how much discount is he giving? If he is giving 20% discount, market price becomes, and even after giving 20% discount, he is getting 20% profit. If it is 12% profit, selling price becomes 112% of the cost price. Yes or no? If 80 becomes 32, increased by how much? Increased by how much? 32, which is 40% of 80. Then 100% of market price is equal to 140% of cost price. Yes or no? What is market price given in question? What is market price given in question? 9,000. So that means 140% is equal to 9,800. Then cost price in the sense 100%. 100% is equal to how much? 14 how many times is 98? 7 times. Then cost price is equal to 7,000. Yes or no? If he is expecting 1,330 profit, then selling price must be equal to 8,330. Yes or no? What is market price? What is market price? And now if he want to have 8,330 rupees, how much discount can be given? 1470. You can give 1470 discount from 9,800 percentage. So into 100. What is 10% of denominator? 9. What is half of 980? 4. Sum of these two numbers? 1470? Yes or no? 980 is what percent? 10%. Half of that? 5%. Total 15%. So what percentage of discount can you offer? 15% discount. He bought certain quantity of mangoes at the cost of 2,100. He sold 2/7 of mangoes at 5% loss. If A incurs an overall loss of 10%, at what percent of loss did A sells the mangoes? Right. Rest of the mangoes. Now were you asked about percentage or a number? Percentage. So you don't need to use number at all. Forget about number. Don't use number. What fractional part of the total quantity is already sold out? What is denominator? Let me take 7 parts I have. Out of 7 parts, 2 parts are already sold. Remaining how many parts are there? Overall how much loss we are expecting? So on each part, if you get 10%, overall that is also equal to 10%. How many parts are left with us now? On each part we need to get 10% loss. That should be total 50%. Yes or no? And on first 2 parts, how much loss is made? But how much we are supposed to get? 10%. But we got only 5%. Still how much we need? 5%. Yes or no? On each part we need 5%. Like that, how many parts were already sold? 2 parts. In the sense, on 1 part if you need 5% loss, on 2 parts you need 10%. So total how much loss you need? 60%. 60% loss you need by selling how many parts? So per part in the sense by 5. 60 by 5. 60 by 5. Over. Understood? Or else 2/7 already sold at a loss of 5%, minus 5 loss, and remaining is 5/7. On this X percent we need, whether it is plus or minus, whatever, no problem. Overall quantity is 1, and on this we need 10% loss. Yes? So from this 5x is equal to minus 70 plus 10. This is equal to minus 60. 5x is equal to minus 60. 60, x is equal to minus 12. Minus indicates loss. How much? 12. But I don't recommend this. That was simple. On each part we need 10%. 2 parts are already sold. 5 parts are still there. On each part we need 10. 5 parts total we need 50. 2 parts are already sold at a loss of 5. So on that again we need 5% on each part. Both the parts together we need 10%. So this much we need by selling 5 parts now. 60 by 5, 12. Single line answer. Right? A trader sold an article at 15% loss. Had he sold the same article for 64.8 more, he would have earned a profit of 12%. What would be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 30% profit? Right. First case, what percent loss he is getting? And later, profit 12%. 15% loss negative side, 12% profit positive side. Difference between plus 12 and minus 15, 27. So you'll get 27% discount difference because of 64.8. And you asked about selling price when there is a profit of 30%, that becomes 130%. 27 2 times 54 and 10.8, that becomes 108. 108, 27 how many times? 4 times. So 132.4 times you will get. Yes or no? 132.4 times. Point and 0 both gets cancelled. Yes or no? Hence you will not get 0 in last digit. Last digit here is 4. Here is 3. 3 into 4 ends with 2. Answer should end with 2. 312 final answer. A trader offered 10% discount on the market price of an article and charged 15% commission on the selling price. If the market price of the article is 25% more than the cost price, what is the approximate profit percentage earned by the trader on selling the article? Right. Now, profit percentage is calculated on what? Cost price. So let me start with cost price. If cost price is 100, market price is 25% more, that becomes 125%. Now he is giving a discount of 10%, in the sense you need to subtract 12.5%. Then it becomes 112.5%. Again after that he is charging 15%. What is 10%? 11.25. What is 5%? 5.625. You're asked about approximate, right? Yes or no? By adding this, will you get more than 1 or not? After numbers, whatever you have, if you add all those 3 numbers after decimal, will you be getting nearest value by 1 or 2? How much is that? 1.3 only, right? Yes or no? That is more than 1, but not nearby 2. Yes? Left hand side, 112 plus 11, 123 plus 5, 128 plus 1.3, 129.3. So profit percentage 29.3. Approximate. Over. The cost price of item B is 150 more than cost price of item A. Item A was sold at a profit of 10%, that means 110%. Keeping in mind 100% is cost price of A. Plus 150 will give you cost price of B. B was sold at a loss of 20%. That means 80% of this number. 80% of 100% in the sense 80% only. 80% of this number in the sense 120. And now the selling prices ratio is given as 11 by 12. 11 how many times? 10 times. That means 120% is equal to 80% plus 120. 40% is equal to 120. 100% is equal to 300. You are asked about cost price of B. So you need to add 150. 300 plus 150, 450. Arvind earned a profit of 20% on selling an article at 10% discount. If the cost price of the article was 3,750, then what was the market price? Right. See, he is getting 20% profit. So selling price becomes 120% of cost price. That is after giving a discount of 10%. That means selling price becomes 90% of market price. 33 times, 34 times. So cost price to market price ratio, 3:4. Yes or no? What is this 3,750? Cost price, which is equal to 3 parts, and you are asked to calculate market price. That means you need to calculate 4 parts. Are you getting? Right. From 3 parts, if you need to get 4 parts, don't go for equation. You need to add 1 part. That is 1/3 of cost price. What was cost price in parts? How many parts you need to add? That is 1/3 of 3 parts only. What is 1/3 of this number? 1, 2, 5, 0. Add 1250 and 3750. Answer 5,000.